objective is to conquer. The second fleet expansion gets ready each year to discover new planets to conquer, new areas to conquer, and new riches to pillage. Every mission appears to be a part of a consistent schedule, or at least that's what we initially believed. However, this most recent voyage unveiled a reality far more sinister and lethal than any of us could have predicted. Why did a mission that ought to have been an easy invasion become so much more complex? What could the humans, a society that seemed so archaic, possibly have that was so dangerous? We thought they wouldn't be able to hold out with their antiquated technology. But the truth was about to astonish us in unexpected ways. We arrived in the solar system, or humanity as the natives called it, after our adventure. We learned more about this hard-working animal that has undergone remarkable rapid evolution along the way. We thought at first that this would work to our benefit, but our statistics indicated that they were falling behind in the information age. Once we reached the gas giant Jupiter, we thought the attack would only need a small amount of work, so we started getting ready. We were only aware of one weapon, a floating one in orbit, and even then, we were underestimating its potential. Primitive humans of planet Earth, surrender immediately to the Arglaquian Empire or face the consequences, was the customary message of surrender that we conveyed. Humans replied with an unanticipated terror, but not of us, instead of the expected acquiescence. They were afraid of something much deeper inside of them. You ought to have left us on our own. They carried the weapon. It took a while for that massive structure to start moving in orbit. We thought it was beyond our reach, and that there was no immediate danger. Our power levels, however, abruptly shot through the roof, indicating significantly more energy than we had anticipated. A bright light flared and vanished in a second. By the time night fell again, half our fleet was destroyed. We were stunned. Our admiral was dead and our leadership was in shambles. The captains got into a heated argument out of desperation. While some demanded to fight, others urged on, running away, and yet others suggested an instant surrender. Ultimately, the fleet parted, and each person made their own decision. In a matter of seconds, those who opted to fight were destroyed. Another catastrophic shot prevented any attempt at escape, allowing no one to accelerate to the speed of light. The only ones who made the decision to give up lived. And it was horrifying what we discovered about our adversaries. We discovered that the human species had developed an unthinkable weapon with their FTL technology, even though we had assumed they were just like us exploring the stars. A weapon that could instantly obliterate whole fleets. Maybe a weapon capable of destroying entire planets. The worst part, though, was that we were now their prisoners since they had this weapon.